Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create bold text in the Google Docs app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Google Docs app. Here it opens up in Drive files. From here we just go into a document that we want to edit. Then tap on the pencil icon in the bottom right corner. And then in the top row, we find the letter A with some lines next to it. We tap on that. And here we can just tap on the B, letter B, under text to write in bold. And now if we write something, I don't know, subscribe, for example, it's going to be in bold. Now if you want to turn this off, we can turn it off from here. And then when we write again, it's going to return to normal. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.